Is your Nintendo Switch Pro Controller staging a rebellion, refusing to connect and throwing your gaming session into chaos? Don't rage quit just yet. We're diving into a quick and easy troubleshooting guide to get your Pro Controller back in the game. First, let's ensure the basics are covered. Confirm that your Pro Controller has enough charge. A low battery is a common culprit for connectivity issues. Plug it in using a USB-C cable and let it juice up for at least 15 minutes. While it's charging, let's check the Switch's Bluetooth settings. Head to System Settings, then Controllers and Sensors. Make sure Pro Controller wired communication is turned off if you're trying to connect wirelessly. Now, for the classic Resync maneuver on the same controllers and sensors screen, select Disconnect Controllers. This will sever all Bluetooth connections. Next, press the sync button on the back of your Pro Controller near the USB-C port. Hold it down for a few seconds. Then, back on the Switch, select Change Grip. Order the Switch will now search for controllers. Your Pro Controller should appear. Press any button on the Pro Controller to pair it. If that still doesn't work, try restarting your Nintendo Switch entirely. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it takes to clear up any software glitches, and there you have it. Your Pro Controller should now be happily connected, ready for some serious gaming action. If you're still running into issues, check the description for more advanced troubleshooting tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming fixes.